Here we are. How am I starting this? Yeah, right. Let's get into it. Do I just use it like this, like Barbie hands? Yeah. Chelsea back here. I keep doing it. I'm trying to think of what I want to say next. What is that culture appropriating? Oh, Ches.
You haven't said anything cool anyways. Like that.
Burn.
Yeah.
Talk to me, baby. I'm a big hashtag, yeah. Don't you know what we're doing? Whoa. What? Oh God, I burped again. I lost my train of thought. Me, Chelsea, doing a little bit of this.
All right.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
That's what all of us are trying to do, is feel cool. The way you looked at me just made me really nervous. I'm so sorry. I don't suck at all. I'm great. My inner voice was just being mean. We, as in me and this one. Pregnant pause for a pregnant lady. Really dramatic. Oh, it's really good volume. And just makes you look like you're ready to go out and have a fantastic time. Really makes you look approachable. Because hair flat to your head doesn't make you look approachable. Chelsea. Help me. My tongue is thick. Where do I put my hands?
Ooh.
Oh, kill him. What am I saying? Texturizing powder in there. Fools, that's a tongue twister. We're all in this together, and we know.
Think so.
Was it a little cheesy? Look at me. You are looking at me because you're watching my video.
Hey Chelsea, what features does that wand have?
Let me tell you about it. Okay, this is dumb. Eyes on the prize, eyes on the prize. It's got to go. Who put in blah, 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 blah. Excuse you. So random. I'm gonna ace it.
Ace this test.
Ace the test, Chels. A little bit of sass and a little bit of life. But my necklace is like lost.
That's what you went with?
La braid. Do I disgust you? You got off my vibe. I was on a roll. Okay? Limp and sad and together. I'm a Caucasian woman.
Pale.
Stupid. Why are you laughing at me?
Because I had to hold in another yawn.
It's back to life. Great. Should I make it a look? Kidding. Show me your tiger stripes. Meow. Chelsea, get it together. That was a good first try. Am I a supermodel? Supermodel documentary hour. Great last step. The great last step. Like, we're done. Gonna get me some of that vitamin D. Your face is priceless. Because I just knew that you hated that. You're gross. That's the funniest thing. Quarantine meme I saw that I really
Don't explain jokes.
I was gonna
Nobody wants to
say,
hear.
shush! Don't interrupt me anymore. Don't feel. Hey! Can you give Bunny a hug? Oh, you're so sweet. Stop. Can you brush your hair? Yeah.
Mama.
Yeah.
Dada.
It's over. It's done. Goodbye. And that's it. Thanks.